Hi guys, it is Friday. We made it to the end of the week. It is Friday, December 11th, math time. So yesterday we learned about pennies and we learned about dimes. We learned penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. And we learned about dimes, dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So let's review. If I have 1 dime and I know it's worth 10 and 1 penny, how much money do I have? So if I say 10 and I use the counting on method and say 11, 10 plus 1 more is 11. I have 11 cents. Let's try another one. Oh no, this one's trickier. So I have 10, 20, 30. I got to use the counting on method. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I have 35 cents right here. Today we are going to learn a new combination. We are going to learn I can count at least one combination of nickels and pennies. So today we will be doing nickels and pennies. So there's also a little rhyme that goes with this one. It says, nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So on the front of the nickel is Thomas Jefferson. He was our 3rd president. And on the back of the nickel is the Monticello. This was Jefferson's house. So it has that round top to the building, and he has long hair and a ponytail. That's how I always remember it's worth 5 cents. And if you look real close right here, it says the word 5 cents. So, has there been a time when we or could we have counted by fives? Go ahead and pause your computer and think about that for a second. When is the time we have counted by fives? I know we have counted by fives when we use tally marks. Remember when we use tally marks, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, close the door. We count by fives. We also count by fives on our fingers. We also counted by fives when we used our calendar. Let's watch this fun video on counting by fives.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Wildebeest on the Serengeti. Alive in the wild, they tribe hanging out in groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Sharks swimming in the sea. Alive in the wild, they tribe hanging out in groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Gorillas by the trees. Alive in the wild, they tribe hanging out in groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Giraffes eat in the leaves. Alive in the wild, they tribe hanging out in groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Hippos on a safari. Alive in the wild, they tribe hanging out in groups of 5.
Visit Numberrock.com for exclusive content, lesson materials, and more. Thanks for watching.
So that was counting by fives. Let's practice. How many tally marks do I have here? I have 5 and I have 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5, 6, 7. And I can also show that by 1 nickel, 5, 6, 7. So this 5 is the same as these 5 tally marks. And these 2 ones are the same as these 2 pennies. Let's look at our fingers. How many fingers do we have? I know a whole hand is worth 5. Then I have 6, 7, 8, 9. We can also show that with coins. The 5 fingers can be a nickel. And then the 4 fingers can be pennies. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's practice counting just nickels. Remember, a nickel is worth 5. So if I'm counting these nickels and they're all worth 5, I know I need to count by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20. I have 20, not that much. I have 20 cents. Let's try another one. Go ahead and pause your computer. And how much money do we have? We got to count by 5s. We have 5, 10, 15. We have 15 cents. Did you get that right? If you got that right, pat yourself on the back and say, I'm so smart. Let's try another one. Go ahead and pause your computer and count how much money we have here. Remember always to count by 5s because these are nickels. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We have 30 cents. Let's try one more. Remember, the back has the dome-shaped Monticello where he lived, Thomas Jefferson. So I know this is worth 5, just like this is worth 5. Go ahead and pause your computer. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We have 40 cents. The C again means the cent sign. It's a C with a line through the middle. Uh-oh, what if I count nickels and pennies? Well, I know a nickel is worth 5 and I know a penny is worth 1. So I'm going to have to use the counting on method. So let's see. I have 5, 10. Ooh, these are not nickels, so I know I need to start counting by 1s. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13. I have 13 cents. Let's try one more, or try some more together. You can use your whiteboard, or you can write it in your notebook. Pause your computer and see how much money we have. Remember, nickel is worth 5 and a penny is worth 1. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Uh-oh, now I gotta know. I need to start counting by 1s. What comes after 25? 26, 27. I have 27 cents. Let's try some more. Here are some more. And these just showed you the back of the nickels. Remember, a nickel is worth 5 and a penny is worth 1. Pause your computer and go ahead and see if you can find this amount. Here we go. 5, 10. Now I need to start the counting on method because I have pennies. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 cents. If you got that, give your brain a kiss. Mwah, and pet your head. Give your brain a kiss. What if we count these? Oh no, we have front and the back of the nickel. And remember, it's okay though because they are all still worth 5 cents. How much money do we have? Go ahead and pause your computer. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We have 24 cents. If you got that right, say, that's me. A couple more. Here we go. How much money do I have here? Please remember to use the counting on method. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20. What comes after 20? 21, 22. We have 22 cents. Here's some more. Go ahead and count it. Let's see how much we have. We have 5, 10. We got lots of pennies, so we need to count by ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Shoo, that was a lot of pennies. 17 cents. This time, I want you to draw in your notebook or your whiteboard. Like we did yesterday, we drew circles and put D in the middle for dimes and P in the middle for pennies. This time, I want you to draw a circle and put N in the middle for nickel and P in the middle for penny. So I would like you to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nickels. So pause your computer and draw 6 nickels and 3 pennies. And tell me, how much money do we have? Well, let's count these up. Remember, I know that a nickel is worth 5. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now I see the P, so I got to start counting by ones. 31, 32, 33. We have 33 cents. Let's try one more. I would like you to draw 3 nickels and 1 penny. And then go ahead and count it and see how much money we have. So we have 5, 10, 15, and the P stands for penny. So what comes after 15? 16. We have 16 cents. How do you feel about counting combinations of pennies and nickels? Do you feel 1? Great, this is so easy for me. 2, I feel okay, but I may need some more practice. Or 3, I feel nervous and that this is hard for me. Remember, it is okay wherever you are. Miss Jones is here to help you. So our goal was to count at least 1 combination of nickels and pennies. Did we meet our goal? Yes, I do believe we did. You will find this in Canvas for your exit ticket. And along with this, you will also find some other review of the numbers with the 10 sticks and ones. And you will also find a couple slides on dimes and pennies. Please turn that in by hitting share and sharing it with Miss Jones so I can see what wonderful work you have done. I hope you have a great weekend and I'll see you again on Monday. Bye, guys.